This video described how to build an AI agent. There is 5 steps. Define object and scope. First, you need to define which type of AI agent need to build, like government, productivity, efficiency, international cooperation, etc. Second is gather and prefer data. At first, you need to data collection and data pre-processing. Then 3, select appropriate technology. You select programming language, framework and library and infrastructure cloud, Amazon, Azure, Google Cloud, etc. 4, develop and train the AI model. Selecting algorithm, building and training the algorithm. And next, 5th step is validate and test. Data validation and test the system, and test the AI agent. And 6, deploy and integration. Deploy personal use, business, government, others international. And last, monitor and continuous improvement. You need to monitor, take its feedback and analytics, optimize model, retain periodically model.